The Vice Chancellor, Professor Nyaudoh Ndaeyo, cordially invites the university community and the general public to the 118th Inaugural Lecture of the University of Uyo. This distinguished lecture will be delivered by Isaac Essiet Udoh, a professor of music theory, composition and sacred music, from the Department of Music, Faculty of Arts, University of Uyo. Professor Isaac UDOH is a musicologist par excellence, a minister of the gospel, and a renowned academic of note. He is gifted and multi-talented in the arts and science of music. Join us as he delivers his inaugural lecture, titled CANDELABRUM and CRINKUM-CRANKUM in Music Creation and Autopsy. The lecture takes place on Thursday, September 11, 2025, at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The venue is the 1,000-seater TETFund Auditorium, University of Uyo Main Campus, Nwaniba Road, Uyo. Guests are kindly requested to be seated by 2:45 in the afternoon. Mrs. Blossom Okori, Registrar and Secretary to Senate, Announcer.